Hello and welcome to another update video about Terra Luna. Terra Luna is going according to plan at the moment. It is currently pretty much in the middle of this target area in green that I specified end of March. So really pleased about that we did get into this area after we moved up, touched that target area, coming down in the middle of this one. Of course, something that seemed super unlikely up here. But after such a move up, especially when you get overbought on the daily, then it is very likely that you come down in such a wave again. And in this case, this is a wave 2. This wave count is important because it tells us that in a wave 2, we can come down quite a lot. We can come down, for example, to the 78.6% Fibonacci level. And that is pretty much where we came to yesterday. At least got very close. So the 78.6% Fibonacci level is at around about $60. We did come to, I think, just below 62. Yesterday morning, UK time here, we had already reached the target area. We had touched it. This was the 61.8% Fibonacci level. At the time I said, we don't really see any bullish signal yet. So we need to consider that we have not yet seen a reversal point here. And that if we lose the 61.8%, the next target would be the 78.6% level. Now we haven't quite reached it. $2 missing, right? But I mean, we can still reach it. We're already heading further down here. So this would be the next area here where I would expect now some support. Be aware that these target areas mean that in here we expect, or I expect, a reversal. The reversal would go to the upside. It would be a wave 3. So this currently looks like a wave 2. Yeah. Because also we are coming down quite a lot, and that is the wave count ahead on the chart here for weeks. Very good to see that the price is adhering to it. That gives me confidence in this wave count. And as I always say, when you get the wave count right, you can also be very confident about the next move. And the next move for me would be that we at any point in here find a reversal. Now that could be as low as $52. That would be the 88.7% Fibonacci level to find a reversal here. And then move up to the wave 3, and that would be somewhere here around $180. That should be the minimum. Be aware that this is not going to move in a straight line. The same way this has come down, which is also not moving in a straight line. This will go up in several waves. For me, key support levels, as I said, $60 and 52. There is one in between, which I'm going to show you now, because if we zoom out, you can see this ascending trend line here in white. So what we're doing here could just be, from that point of view, a pullback to a trend line. And again, that trend line here is at $56. So that would be also, so anything between 60 and $52, there are 3 key support levels. And my view will be that Terra Luna will find support here, will reverse and move up in a wave 3. What adds to that is that we are now getting super oversold on the 4-hour chart. We are pretty much at a point where in the past we always saw a reversal. So we have come down to the 20 level on the 4-hour RSI. That is super low. Based on the daily RSI, we could still drop lower, but we're pretty much at the level where we were end of January, where we also had a huge dip. Only a couple of times we came down lower in the past. That was here, the time before that was May 21. And I wouldn't rule it out that we come even lower. But as I said, there are key support levels. But this whole scenario will get invalidated below $43. So should we drop below 43, I mean, we expect at least, or as a maximum, 52 at the moment. From here to 43, that would still be quite a bit of a drop. And however, if we drop below that, this scenario is invalidated. Yeah, then that next wave 3 will not happen as it is. It means that the correction will take longer. It doesn't mean that we're going here to zero or anything, but it means that we then have to re-specify the target area. And here in blue, I've got the alternative, which is located between roughly $12 and 33. Yeah, this is based on the same Fibonacci levels, but just from a higher level wave count point of view. So currently doing what it's supposed to be doing. On the daily, we do not see a recovery yet. So here the MACD is still pushing down, down, down. And there is some more space for further price drops, absolutely. My view is though that on the 4-hour we should now soon see a little bit of a recovery. but we could of course drop first to the $60 level. Now anywhere in here I do expect the reversal, and personally I'm not waiting for the lowest low. Anybody who obviously doesn't go in here long shouldn't complain later when we go to the $130 level, or 80 it was, but be aware as well, it is also risky because we have not yet seen a confirmation to the upside, and using a stop loss is also very important, especially in the current market environment. And whatever you see here in the video is only what I do, yeah, and not financial advice. Please also understand that very clearly, because it's a very risky market environment at the moment. We are not in a bull market, but should Bitcoin now move up a little bit, I think this could give Terra Luna a catalyst to break out of this target area here to the upside. And in terms of resistance levels, what do we have? Well, it's exactly the level that we had as support, the 61.8% level Fibonacci at around $73. That will be next resistance. Then here, the neckline of that head and shoulders at 78 will be the one after that, and then we take it from there, because I update you daily anyway. All right, and that is my view here about Terra Luna. Just quick update. Hopefully you like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership and maybe even the trading course I'm currently publishing on the website. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.